In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to audit Schema, SEO titles and links with Claude in Webflow. Open a new browser tab and go to Claude.ai. When the page loads, sign in if you need to. After that, you should land on a new chat screen. Look at the bottom left of the chat input area and find the plus icon. That is where the connected tools are managed for this chat. Click the plus icon. A small menu will open. In that popover, click Add Connectors. This takes you into the connectors area so you can connect Claude to Webflow and let it read the site data for the audit. Now move to the search field and type Webflow. Say the word as you type it if you are recording live, Webflow. When the results appear, find the official Webflow result. Click the plus icon next to that result. As soon as you do that, a Webflow authorization window opens in a new tab. In the Webflow tab, sign in if Webflow asks you to. Once you are in, go to the workspace section and choose the workspace that contains the site you want to audit. Then move down to the Sites section and select the specific site you want Claude to read. After the correct workspace and site are selected, go to the bottom right and click Authorize App. When that is complete, the tab closes and you are taken back to Claude automatically. Back on the new chat page in Claude, click the plus icon in the chat input one more time. Check that Webflow now appears under the connected tools. If there's a toggle beside it, make sure that toggle is turned on for this chat. Then close the popover so you are back at the main chat box. Click inside the chat input. Now paste in the audit prompt. If you are following along from a pinned comment, pause long enough to copy it, then return to Claude and paste the full text into the message box. The prompt should ask Claude to use the Webflow connector to audit the site and return a single table covering 3 areas: schema markup, SEO titles, and internal links. It should also ask for the URL, current value, issue, and suggested fix for each row. Once the full prompt is in place, press Enter. Claude begins working right away. You will see tool call blocks appear above the response area as it starts fetching information from Webflow. At this point, say clearly, Claude is reading the site now. During this process, Claude may ask for permission to use different Webflow data tools. The first prompt may ask to use the Data Sites tool from Webflow. When that appears, you will see 3 choices: always allow, allow once, or deny. Select the option shown in your workflow so Claude can continue. A second permission prompt may appear asking to use the Data Pages tool from Webflow. Again, the choices are always allow, allow once, or deny. Choose the appropriate allow option from the prompt so Claude can keep reading the page data. A third prompt may appear asking to use the Data CMS tool from Webflow. Just like the others, you will have the options always allow, allow once, or deny. Choose the allow option needed for this run so Claude can continue the audit and read the CMS items. Now wait for the tool calls to finish. This usually takes around 20 to 40 seconds, depending on the size of the site. As the calls complete, Claude builds the response from the live Webflow data it just read. When the reply is ready, scroll through the response. Claude returns a single table, and the rows are grouped into the 3 audit areas: schema markup, SEO titles, and internal links. As you move through the table, point out a flagged schema issue. Then show a row where the meta title is either missing or too long. After that, show a page with no internal links. Keep the focus on the table column so the viewer can see the URL, the current value, the issue, and the suggested fix for each item. At this point, the audit is complete. Claude has produced one read-only table showing schema gaps, SEO title issues, and internal linking problems across the selected Webflow site. The site itself has not been changed. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That is the full audit workflow inside Claude with Webflow connected and enabled for the chat.